Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this gorgeous 2018 Infiniti Q50 that we took in on trade for a brand new Infiniti. This one is a local 1-owner clean Carfax vehicle. In fact, it was purchased pretty locally from one of our sister stores up at Infiniti of Linwood, so local 1-owner clean Carfax. Traded in for a new Infiniti and serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs, who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti retailer like us. Our techs work on these vehicles on a daily basis. This one has 38,708 miles at the time of making this video, and this one is pretty nicely equipped with features, a little bit more loaded than some of the other Q50 LUXEs. I'll kind of go over the big ticket features. This is a copy of the window sticker. We can print you out one and email it to you, or print it and email it. We can email you one or print you one when you come in to visit if you want to peruse it yourself. So we have the essential package. That was $26.50, giving you navigation, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 60/40 split folding rear seat, driver's seat power lumbar, and remote engine start. Then we have the ProAssist package. That was $1,650, giving you blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, backup collision intervention, around view monitor with moving object detection, front and rear sonar system, predictive forward collision warning, and forward emergency braking. Then we have the Sentry Package. That was $29.50, giving you a Bose Performance Series 16 speaker surround sound system, leather appointed seating surfaces, power tilt telescoping steering column, dual occupant memory seats for driver's seat, steering column, and outside mirrors. Then you get an advanced climate control system that cleans and filters the air. You have enhanced interior ambient lighting and auto dimming outside mirrors. Illuminated kick plates was $465. So original MSRP was $50,010. Base MSRP was $40,950. So this has about $9,000 worth of options. Like I said, it's always good to read the fine print, because you might see another Q50 LUXE that might be a few $1,000s cheaper than this, but if that one's a base one and this one has $9,000 in options, well, maybe $2,000 cheaper isn't that great of a deal. Like I said, it's always good to read the fine print, and even if you're not buying an Infiniti from us, feel free to contact me. I'll pull you a VIN number on an Infiniti you're looking at. We're happy to help you make an educated decision on your next Infiniti, whether it's from us or not. We have a drive mode selector here that will make changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings, steering. Notice that the Q50 has a dual display system. The Q50, when it first came out in 2014, was the first vehicle of this kind to have a dual display system like this. The top screen is for navigation, parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can also access the drive mode selector here. You can drill down a little bit deeper. Active trace control will break individual wheels to help you rotate a little bit better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. The Q50 is a compact sport luxury sedan. Some of the competitors are the Tesla Model 3, BMW 3 Series, Mercedes-Benz C-Class, Lexus IS Series. It's built on a sports car platform. The Q50 has lots of pedigree. Built on the advanced Infiniti platform. It's a very balanced platform, placing the engine as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle. That helps rotate it. It helps rotate on its axis a little bit better, improving the handling and feel through the corners. It has a racing-inspired Tesla all-wheel drive system. And even though it's compact, interior space is not too bad. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. Rear-wheel drive is standard. Intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. This has the intelligent all-wheel drive. It's called a TASA. It stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for All Terrain. It was originally derived from an early version of the Nissan Skyline GTR. Infiniti has been using this all-wheel drive system for about 20 years on its products, and it's been very reliable. I haven't seen too many of these all-wheel drive systems go bad. I've been with Infiniti approaching 17 years. It uses a trick electromagnetic differential to activate the all-wheel drive system, so under normal driving conditions it will be 100% rear-wheel drive, but it can quickly send power to the front wheels up to 50% as needed in a matter of milliseconds by using that electromagnetic differential. So this all-wheel drive system will greatly improve your wet weather performance. You'll do a lot better in the snow with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive, but also it can improve your dry weather performance too. For instance, you can get into power a little bit earlier through those corners, and that all-wheel drive system will help pull you through. If you value your Japanese brands to actually be built in Japan, the Q50 is a real deal. It's built and assembled in Japan. Really a nicely styled vehicle. In the heart of the Q50 is the VR30 twin turbo V6, pumping out 300 horsepower. You have two small turbos. Rather than having one big turbo, the two small turbos can react more quickly, improving the engine's responsiveness. Has direct injection. You get 300 horsepower, plenty of power for a vehicle like this. Amazing performance, beautiful styling, very refined, beautiful to look at. Thanks so much for watching this video today. Hopefully we'll see you soon and have a wonderful day.